Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Sellvia tutorial and review. Either way, stick with us. We will walk you through everything you need to know and do after getting your store. In the first part of the video, we will cover essential steps, how to explore your store, process test orders, understand and set up payment gateways, establish social media presence for your business, and make your first sales. In the advanced section, we will explain how to scale your e-commerce business and increase your revenue per customer using tools like Google Analytics, promotional strategies, email marketing, search engine optimization, and more. To begin your journey with your new online store, the first step starts with gaining access, which typically happens within a day after your purchase. You receive an email containing a direct link to your store's admin page, along with your login credentials. Once you have logged in, take some time to explore the interface and get familiar with the layout, features, and tools available in your store's backend. Start by navigating through the front end of your website, the actual storefront your customers will see. Visit each page to understand the customer experience and assess whether everything looks and functions the way you want. Pay special attention to your product categories. Open each one and review the products that are listed. If you see items that don't belong or are missing from the appropriate sections, you can make adjustments easily. To manage products and categories, go to your WordPress dashboard and find the Sellvia plugin under the product section. From there, you can browse the full product catalog, add new items to your store, assign them to existing categories, or create brand new categories that better fit your niche or business goals. You can also remove products you no longer wish to offer or reassign them to more appropriate categories using the Quick Edit option. In addition to managing products, it is crucial to review all your informational pages. This includes your terms and conditions, privacy policy, return policy, and other essential pages like the About Us or contact pages. By default, your store will come pre-filled with templates based on Sellvia's standard policies. While these provide a solid starting point, you will want to read through them carefully and make any necessary edits to reflect the specifics of your business, especially if you plan to offer different return terms or have unique operational guidelines. Just be sure that your changes remain in compliance with Sellvia's overarching policies, particularly when it comes to returns, shipping, and customer service expectations. Making these adjustments early on ensures your store is both fully functional and legally sound, setting a strong foundation for smooth operations and a great customer experience. The next critical step in launching your online store is setting up your payment gateways. This is essential for enabling transactions and ensuring secure payments between you and your customers. Popular payment processors like PayPal and Stripe are widely trusted and provide a layer of protection against fraud for both buyers and sellers. Setting them up is typically straightforward, and you will find step-by-step guides tailored to each provider to help you connect them to your store. It is important to complete this setup early on, as your store cannot accept orders until a payment gateway is active and integrated. Once your payment method is in place, it is highly recommended to run a test order to verify that the checkout process works smoothly from start to finish. This involves visiting your store just like a customer would, choosing a product, going through the checkout process, using your newly set up payment method, and then tracking the order through your WordPress dashboard. This not only ensures that your customers won't face any technical issues when placing an order, but also gives you first-hand experience with order processing, preparing you for real transactions. With the backend of your store up and running, the next phase is building a strong and engaging online presence. This starts with creating social media accounts for your brand. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are especially valuable for e-commerce businesses. Social media is more than just a promotional tool. It is your direct line of communication with potential customers, a space to share your brand's voice, and a way to showcase your products in a relatable and visual way. Start by setting up professional business profiles on these platforms. A Facebook business page and an Instagram business account are great for most niches, while Pinterest is ideal if you're selling lifestyle-related products like home goods, fashion, or beauty items. Once your pages are live, fill them with engaging content that reflects your brand identity. This can include high-quality product images, creative descriptions, informative or entertaining posts related to your niche, behind-the-scenes glimpses, customer testimonials, and regular updates through stories and reels. Consistency is key. Maintaining an active presence helps build trust with your audience, makes your brand more recognizable, and ultimately drives traffic to your store. If creating and managing content feels overwhelming, you can always hire a social media marketing or SMM specialist or freelancer to support your efforts and ensure your content strategy is professional, aligned with your goals, and optimized for growth. By combining functional operations with an engaging online presence, you are setting the stage for a successful launch and long-term growth. With your store and social media pages ready, you can begin launching marketing campaigns to drive traffic and generate sales. Sellvia provides high-quality marketing materials for every product, including photos and ad copy. Additionally, their Marketing Academy offers beginner-friendly lessons to help you create effective ad campaigns even if you have no prior experience. As you move into more advanced strategies, we recommend setting up Google Analytics to monitor user behavior, conversions, and website performance. This data helps you make informed decisions to improve your store. You should also consider email marketing, an effective way to re-engage visitors, promote deals, and boost customer loyalty. Platforms like MailChimp and Sendinblue offer tools for creating email campaigns, and Sylvia's email marketing service can help streamline the process for you. Finally, explore SEO strategies to improve your store's visibility in search engine results. While SEO requires time and practice, it is a powerful long-term method to drive organic traffic to your store. If it feels overwhelming, Sellvia also offers SEO packages to help you optimize your content effectively. Now that you have got the basics, you are equipped to launch, manage, and grow your online store. As you continue, you will learn more through experience and can always delegate tasks to the Sellvia team. Check out the links in the description for more tools, guides, and inspiring client stories like Rodney's, who turned his life around with e-commerce after losing his job. And that is all there is on Sellvia tutorial and review. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.